guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are here, it means you are intrigued to know how did I style Komal Pandey's fashion styling ideas. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ इस वीडियो के लिए. All of us definitely know who Komal Pandey is and she is amazing at what she does, right? But we have often seen her videos, coming into criticism that okay, this is not good for daily life and stuff like that. So I had few styling in my mind also. When I saw them, I literally felt like okay, this is good for a fashion show runway than in a daily life. So I chose 3 pictures which I thought will not look good in a daily life or if I have to go to some outing or stuff. So I selected those 3 pictures, okay, and I thought of trying it myself. Though और भी थी, but कपड़े भी होने चाहिए उसके लिए. So I just selected 3 of those. Obviously मेरे पास same prints नहीं है, same colors नहीं है, but I managed it somehow. You are going to see how. Okay, so these are the 3 pictures, okay, and 2 of which are little blurred because I took the screenshot of them from a video. Okay, so yeah, these are the 3 pictures and I luckily have these clothes with me, and that's why I'm very excited to see how it actually looks on me. Okay, so without wasting a lot of time, let's get started.
So this is the first look that I'm creating. I do not have a grayish black denim jacket, so I'm using the blue denim jacket that I have. Other than this blue denim jacket, I am wearing a black bralette with a velvet black skirt and a knee-high boot. Honestly, I do not mind wearing this outside. In fact, I absolutely loved how it turned out with the blue denim jacket. A big thumbs up to this look. Moving on to the second look, I am creating another look with the same jacket. Now, I do not have the exact colors and prints, but I'm wearing everything that she used in this style. So, if you see, she is wearing a plain blue high neck, a plain blue shirt, pairing with a plain off-white skirt, an animal print boots, a matching purse, and that jacket. Now, I do not have any printed boots, so what I did is I opted for a printed shirt just to balance out this whole style. A white high neck and a white skirt, plain black boots and a matching clutch just like she has taken, and this is how it all turned out. Superb, absolutely amazing, and a big thumbs up. Now this is the third and last look. In this look, everything is same, the black high neck, the black leather jacket and the black knee-high boot, apart from the skirt and shirt. Now I do not have a hot pink skirt, so I've opted for a nude shade one, the similar skirt, okay. With this skirt, she is wearing a light blue shirt because it is going with that hot pink vibe, right? And it has vertical lines as a print. Now I have opted for a shirt with check boxes and I have tucked this in the similar manner that she is wearing. Although a less printed shirt would have been better, but anywho, I love this look. Absolutely big thumbs up.
You like them? I love them. I mean, really. They were classy, they were amazing, absolutely amazing. I never thought of trying these many layers on me, and जितने भी layers थे, they did not create any sort of problem कि हाथ ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है या it's uncomfortable from anywhere. It was really good. So guys, I think it was a win-win for me. Even though I selected those 3 pictures which I thought is not going to look good on me, they still looked good on me and I'm really happy about it. So yeah, I love it. And if you want me to style any other fashion influencers styling ideas, do let me know. I'm going to try that. I'm definitely going to try that and show it out to you guys. This video was really fun, really excited. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe. Thank you so much in advance. Namaste.